Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another Christmas two-page layout. I have two 5x7s, one's horizontal and one's vertical. And I'm using this green paper for a background. I got this a long time ago at Tuesday morning and I got like 20 sheets of it. So anyway, it's perfect for my background today. So I'm going to use a paper, the Christmas trees from the Paper Studio Christmas Confetti Pad. This is an 8.5 by 11. They were sold out of the 12 by 12s, but I loved all this paper so much. I just bought the 8.5 by 11. And I'm also using a paper from this pad. This one right here I'm going to be using for frames. So it'll show up on the green paper, and it's just the right shade of green in there. All right, so here's the tree paper that I'm going to use. And so it's an 8.5 by 11 sheet, and I just cut it in half, and I'm putting it across both sides. Because these photos both take place by the Christmas tree, that's why I'm doing that. A tree theme on this page. So the first thing I did was do a frame for each. I did matching frames for each of these photos like that. So I have a chevron print in the background, a large print here, and a medium print here. So I've coordinated 3 different patterns here. Now this frame is matching. I had to turn the paper the other way because the trees, I wanted them to be upright. I'm trying to keep it away from the edge here. Okay, the next thing I did was I found a bunch of trees and Design Space that I liked. And these trees are all from, actually all the images I'm going to be putting on this page are from Miss Kate Cuttables, a cartridge in Design Space called Christmas Magic. And I'm just gonna put these trees around here, just arrange them. I guess that'll do. And I'm doing some more. I did like 2 of each of several of these designs. Excuse me. All right, like that. Now, I found in the same cartridge this corner of Christmas lights, and so I used the same shades for the trees. I used a pink, a limey green, and red for the lights here, and I'm going to use this as a corner over here. I did 2 of them, one for up here and one down there. Actually, I did emboss some of these trees, these 2. Maybe you can see this. This paper has a shimmer, and I embossed it with a chevron because there's a chevron pattern to it. And this one I did with diagonal stripes because the tree itself is a diagonal stripe. So I used these 2 embossing folders for that. All right, so now I found this really cute image of elf feet. I thought this was hilarious, and so because it's a children's page, I thought I'd put them sitting right on top of this photo. Now I want to cover the edge of this, so I'm placing them there. I thought they were just adorable. They make the page fun. And then I looked at this, and it's still like I don't like this gap over here. So I went to I'm using this on every page now, my 3-in-1 tag punch from Creative Memories. Does 3 different sizes. So this is the first time I'm using the medium size tag. So I'm going to put this here, right there. And I did another one for up here. At first I thought I'd put it down here, but I'd have to cut it right in half, and because there's writing, you wouldn't be able to read it. So I'm moving it up to here. On there. Now, it's looking pretty good, but what I would like to do is, once I've taped everything down, I'm going to put foam lifters on these lights and on the front trees and this tree. Those lights as well. And then once it's all glued down, I am going to use these Crystal Nouveau drops. They will dry like beads, and but you have to do that last on a page, because and you have to let it sit for quite a while to let them completely dry. So I'm going to decorate these trees with beads from the Crystal Nouveau drops. Well, I hope you like this Christmas page, and thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.